everyone, my name is Max Kavanaugh, and today I want to show you this beautiful used 2019 G23 that we have available. And we'll start off on the exterior of this beautiful boat. So you have the reef blue metal flake up top, you have a nice mystic white hull bottom, mystic white hull, a little graphic as well. You'll see up at the tower here, it is a power tower for 2019, that was a standard option. Pop-up cleats here. You have 6 in total. Your gas fill is located right here. As we move around to the back side here, nice big swim platform, the mocha brown sea deck, nice grab handle with the toe point that's integrated, which is slick. And then again, in true Nautique fashion, this nice beautiful walkway, so you're not stepping on any upholstery. Below this platform, you have your NSS, your Nautique surf system, underwater lights, your standard Nautique surf pipe, your NCRS is right here, which is your Nautique configurable running surface. And this one does come with a stern thruster that's integrated with the steering wheel, and you can control it manually as well. So really nice option to have on this 2019 G23. Let's go take a peek at the interior of this boat. All right, we're inside this beautiful 2019 G23. Again, in true Nautique fashion, the nice big walkway here with the sea deck. Open up this big hatch here. So on both sides, you have 2 hatches that open up. A lot of storage in these compartments here. So fenders, beach bags, dock lines, life jackets, wakeboards even, plenty of space for it. They're all finished off with sea deck inside. So true Nautique fashion again, well finished, well crafted boat. As we walk into the cockpit here, you're gonna have strapless board racks on this boat. You have 2 tower speakers. It is a power tower, so it folds down just with 2 buttons. Makes it really easy if you have a lift that you need to get inside of that gives you that, or that has that height restriction. In the cockpit area, you have all of these seats here that lift up on supported hinges. You have storage underneath these seats, sea deck lined inside. All the vinyl's in great shape. Still has a very firm but plush feeling to it still. You do have a few benches that flip up like this. You have another rear view seat here where you can sit at and actually look at the riders that are surfing or wakeboarding. Folds back down, just like so. Underneath the passenger seat, you have a lot of storage underneath that compartment. Moving more towards the helm area, you have a nice race car inspired captain chair here with a nice little cutout, which makes it easy for that captain just to kind of turn around and face the people that are in their boat to have, better conversations with. Nice bolstering through the midsection and through your thighs. You're just going to feel really supported in this seat. The ergonomics are great, especially with this armrest, with your encoder rotary dial off to the right. You have a throttle here too. Everything just feels like it's supposed to be there and in the right spot. This G23 has the link pan array offset to the right side. You have some physical buttons down below. Your 3-spoke leather wrapped steering wheel here. Very premium feel. That's what Nautique is really known for. Little fold holder, little tray up here. You can throw your wallet or keys. It won't, even underway, your keys or wallet really won't fall from outside this tray area. It'll stay nicely in there. You have your recessed glove box here. Opens up, nice space in there to throw your keys, wallet, any valuables. This boat does have the wave front speakers as well. It actually produce sound and bounce off the windshield and gets kind of pushed towards the cockpit area. This really enhances that sound experience, which is cool. Your battery switch is located here. You have garbage can access right here in the walkway, which is really nice because you're not having to have somebody move from a seat and lift up the seat to put trash away. You just have nice access right there. This one does have the sliding pocket door, just like that. Dedicated storage built in, which is really cool. Then up in the bow, in true G fashion, really deep, really big bow up here that's spacious. You have armrests that fold up and fold down. This one is optional with the bow filler cushion, and you can turn this bow filler cushion to the other side where there's sea deck, so you can walk all the way out of this boat, which is cool if you have to come up to a dock or a marina where you have to hop off the bow quick. You can do so without stepping on any upholstery, which is nice. You guys, this is the 2019 Nautique G23 located at our MarineMax Rogers location. I wanted to do a brief overview of this boat so you guys had an understanding of what this is and what the color of this is and some of the features that it has too. So if you have any questions, please give us a call or come stop by. Thank you.